how to mass manage contacts in HubSpot. In this video, we will explore the essential strategies and tools you can use to efficiently manage your contacts in HubSpot. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting, mastering contact management is key to maintaining effective communication and relationships with your leads and customers. First, let's dive into importing contacts in bulk. HubSpot allows you to easily upload a CSV file containing all your contact information. To do this, navigate to your contacts dashboard, click Import, and follow the prompts to upload your file. Ensure that your CSV is formatted correctly, with clear headers for each column, such as name, email, and phone number. Next, let's discuss segmenting your contacts. HubSpot's list feature can help you organize your contacts based on specific criteria. You can create active lists that automatically update as contacts meet your criteria, or static lists for a one-time grouping. This segmentation is crucial for targeted marketing efforts, allowing you to send personalized messages to specific groups, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Another great feature of HubSpot is the ability to use contact properties. These are customizable fields that can be used to store additional information about your contacts. Think about what details will help you better understand your leads, such as their company size, industry, or specific interests. Updating these properties in bulk can save you a lot of time and ensure that your contact records are accurate and up to date. Now, let's touch on managing contact engagement. HubSpot provides tools to monitor how your contacts are interacting with your emails, website, and more. You can track email opens, clicks, and form submissions. Use this data to refine your marketing strategies and focus your efforts where they will make the most impact.